Simple Mobile, operating on AT&T's network, offers several convenient methods to check your data balance. As of September 2025, the primary methods are via the Simple Mobile app, SMS text messages, and USSD codes. The Simple Mobile app, enhanced with AI-driven insights, is the most feature-rich option, providing real-time data balance, personalized alerts, and predictive analytics based on your usage. Alternatively, sending a text message with BAL or data to 611 will provide a quick balance update. For those without smartphones, USSD codes like 611 offer a menu-based system to access your data information. Download the Simple Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play and log in with your account details. Navigate to the Usage or Dashboard tab to view your remaining high-speed data, rollover status, and usage history. Send a text message with either BAL or data to 611. You'll receive a reply within seconds with your current data balance. This method is free and works on any phone. Dial 611 on your phone. This will bring up an interactive menu. Select the option for data balance to see your remaining data. Remember that data balances reflect high-speed LTE 5G data, and speeds may be throttled after you've used all of your high-speed data.